Hello, I want to go through the process of downloading Octave, installing it, and trying to run a couple of commands. So I search Octave, and one of the first ones that come up is GNU Octave. And so this is the one that you want. And then you're going to just download, and depending on what your machine is, it'll um, you should try to pick the correct one. So I'm going to go ahead and download the latest version. Maybe I'll do the installer. Okay, it's downloaded, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and then it's gonna go through the process. Because I'm doing the installer, it's gonna go through the process of running the executable. Okay. So now I get to the actual setup wizard. I'm just going to click next, and install for whatever, and then the default destination, and then it's going to install. Okay, it looks like it's finished. You can have it run or show the README. I think I'll just unclick that, and then you can access that later on. So when you first run it, it says welcome, and it tells us our home file system. So you need a specific directory, and then this is it, unless you change it or you add more directories. And then you can go ahead and check this out or uncheck it or whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and finish, and then it has my file. So the program is now running, and I can do certain things. Let's add 1 plus 1 first, so that looks like it works. Let's create a vector. It looks like I have a 5 by 5 vector now. Let's scale that vector, or not a 5 by 5, a 1 by 5 vector. Let's scale that vector. Let's multiply everything by 6. And then so that works out. Now I can take the transpose of that vector. So now instead of a row vector, I have a column vector. Maybe we can create an identity matrix. And that would be, the command for that I think is I, and then I want this to be a 5 by 5 identity matrix. And there's my identity matrix. And let's create another matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have a 2 by 3 matrix, and let's row reduce a matrix M. Okay, so it looks like this works great, and you can download this as another option for doing some of the work that we might need to do. Okay.